We got a 2022 wide body Hellcat. Brand new, right off the lot, came to G exhaust. Oh, we got the Brembos, baby. Let's take a look underneath. We just straight piped this thing. I love this car, this thing's a beast. What we did was take off these stock resonators right here and here, threw them right in the garbage. Just kidding, the customer wants to bring them home. Then we took off the stock mufflers that were here and here, replaced it with some pipes, and we hit them off with the 5-inch G exhaust carbon fiber quad tips. Yo, they look fresh. I like these things. They're not as good as my personal favorite, the forged carbon, but these will do. This thing's gonna be loud as hell, yo. Let's bring it down and fire her up. These are the stock mufflers right here, and the stock resonators right there.